Young pastor James Johnson shot dead in church, while 7 spent shells have been recovered from the scene.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Police investigators are seeking to establish the motive behind the killing of a 29-year-old pastor, James Johnson, of a Union Estate address in the parish. Johnson was reportedly killed around 5 p.m. on Thursday, September 20, at the Church of God of Prophecy at 41 Old Harbour Road in the St. Catherine North Police Division, where a state of emergency is currently in effect. Reports from the JCF's Corporate Communication Unit are that Johnson arrived at the church, parked his car and entered the building, and shortly after, a gunman entered and opened fire, hitting him multiple times. Another report suggests that he was in the middle of teaching a class. It is being alleged that all the shots had hit him in his back. The gunman then fled the scene. Johnson was rushed to the Spanish Town Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. Police investigators reportedly recovered 7 spent shells from the scene. A past student of Garvey Masaya High School in Clarendon, Johnson was born in the community of Red Hills in the parish. He was the public relations officer of the Church of God of Prophecy and a political enthusiast, and also did stints in media at Nationwide News Network. A number of persons, especially those from the church community, have taken to social media to express shock and anger at the killing. This is really a sad development. Just goes to show where the crime situation is at this point in time, said one social media user. Grace Worship Center family extends deepest condolence to the family of minister and pastor James Johnson and the entire Church of God of Prophecy family in Jamaica. Another social media post stated, "Only child for his mother. We pray for the swift hands of God against his killer or killers," said another post. The Spanish Town Police are investigating the incident.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.